Hi and welcome to That Office Guy. My name is Nick. In this video today, we're going to show you how to use the ABS function inside Microsoft Excel. It's actually a very simple and easy to use function once you know how. As we get into this video, if you find it useful, hit the like button. I really do appreciate that. If you're new, make sure you've subscribed and you will always stay up to date with the latest formulas and functions from Microsoft Excel. Right, with all this said, done and out of the way, let's jump on down to the desktop and take a look at how to do this. Okay guys, here we are on Excel and we have basically some dummy data here just to make it really simple. We obviously have a negative number just up here, -4 inside our data. We also have 3 different examples of how the ABS function actually works. And then of course down here we have the descriptions of these and then the results, okay? So the first thing we obviously need to do is just take a look at this very first one, right? So basically ABS, and inside the brackets we put the value that we want to get the absolute value of. So in the case of putting 2 inside these brackets, the absolute value of 2 is of course 2, right? Pretty simple. Now when we actually go to the second example and we say ABS, open upper parentheses, -2, close parentheses, we want to get the absolute value of -2, and the value of -2 is 2. Okay, so basically it just removes all of those symbols that are in front of the numbers. And when we actually use this inside a cell reference, we go ABS, open parentheses, A2 as a cell reference where we have a -4, close those parentheses. What we're trying to do here is get the absolute value of -4. And when we do that, we actually get the result of 4, right? So this function's actually really simple to use once you know how to do it and what you're doing. Now with this, it's also important to note that what you're trying to achieve here could be that you want to basically remove all currency symbols or all negatives and turn them into just numbers rather than negative numbers. And there's going to be a few circumstances where this is something that you're going to want to do, and the ABS function does this for you so well. So it's definitely one that you want to know and want to understand how it works. But it is incredibly simple, and once you actually mess around with it for a few times, you'll be able to basically use this formula as and when needed. So there are some circumstances where you might just want to clean up all of the currency symbols out of the numbers, or if you want to remove all the negative symbols within a set of numbers and have them as absolute values. And this is a fantastic way to just really quickly and easily do this by creating the formula, pulling it all the way down, and you won't have any more problems with these symbols in with your numbers. So it's actually a very, very straightforward and simple way to run this particular formula. Now, I'm not going to go on and on about this particular formula anymore. It is a very straightforward one. It's going to be a quick video for you to show you guys how this one works. If you find it useful, informative, make sure you do go ahead and hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all the other formulas and functions within Microsoft Excel. With this said, done and out of the way, I hope everyone has a fantastic day, and I'll catch you all in the next one.